Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll cover IELTS Speaking Part 2 in detail. This part can be challenging, but with the right preparation and practice, you can score high marks. Now without further ado, let's quickly discuss everything important about Part 2. Speaking Part 2 is also known as the individual long term. In this section, you will be given a cue card with a topic to speak about for 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to prepare your response, and then you will speak for 2 minutes. This section tests your ability to speak at length on a topic, your fluency, and your ability to organize your thoughts. Now let's discuss some tips to help you score high marks in part 2. Number 1, understand the cue card. The first thing you need to do is read and understand the cue card carefully. Make sure you know what the topic is and what you're being asked to do. Number 2, plan your answer. Take the 1 minute of your preparation time to plan your answer. Use this time to organize your thoughts and structure your response. Make sure you have an introduction, body, and conclusion in your response. Number 3, use connectors to link your ideas together. This will help you sound more fluent and organized. For example, use phrases like firstly, secondly, in addition, however, and finally in your response. Number 4, provide examples to support your points. This will help you demonstrate your understanding of the topic and show the examiner that you can use the language effectively. For example, if you are asked to talk about a memorable event in your life, you could provide specific details about the event, such as where it happened, who was there, and how it made you feel. Number 5, use a range of vocabulary to demonstrate your ability to use the language effectively. This will help you score higher marks for vocabulary. For example, instead of using the word happy repeatedly, you could use synonyms like joyful, delighted, or ecstatic. Let me give you an example of how to apply all the discussed strategies. Suppose you are given the topic, describe a place you have visited that you would like to go back to. Here's an example response. The place I would like to go back to is a small village in the north of Nepal called Lo Manthang, which is situated near the Tibetan border of Mustang district. Firstly, Lo Manthang is a picturesque village with old streets, beautiful historic buildings, and stunning views of the surrounding mountainous region. Secondly, it has a rich history and cultural heritage with many art galleries, museums, and historic landmarks. In addition, the people are friendly and welcoming, and there is a relaxed and laid back atmosphere. However, the main reason I would like to go back is definitely the food. Despite its remote location and unavailability of variety of ingredients, the local cuisine is delicious and uses things grown and found in the region. There are many local specialities that are not available elsewhere. In a nutshell, Lo Manthang is a unique and charming village that I would love to visit again. Its beauty, history, culture, and cuisine make it a truly unforgettable destination. In conclusion, Part 2 can be challenging, but with the right preparation and practice, you can score high marks. Remember to read and understand the cue card, plan your answer, use connectors, provide examples, and use a range of vocabulary. With these tips, you will be well on your way. And that brings us to the end. Hope you find it informative, and as always, thank you for listening and good luck on your test.